So in this Notes app tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add emojis to the Notes app. So it's very simple on an iPhone. Just go ahead, open your Notes app, select anywhere. Once the keyboard opens up, go to the bottom left and press the emoji icon. Once you're here, you can go ahead and see whatever emoji you want. So if you want to do the smiley face, it'll insert. If you want to do the crying laughing face, whatever the case may be, it's going to add automatically. And if this looks good to you, go ahead and press the check mark right here. And just like anything else, you don't have to do anything spectacular. You can just go ahead to the keyboard, add an emoji, add whatever emoji you want. Once again, you can go to the bottom left, do what you want. So if you want to search up like a dog emoji, you can add a dog emoji, press check mark, and it's very easy that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add emojis on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.